respect goes a far way. Because respect is very, very, very important. Show respect and no disrespect. That's the title of my next poem. You can find the video on YouTube. Respect by Amaziyah the Great. Almost clocking 100,000 views. And we never buy views. It's the power of the words. And when I go on drama, yo, I'm not gonna hear about this sometime from today, sometime in our future. Some people in a Jamaica, 5 of them on a panel, me can tell you the people. These are some established individuals who say them there in the music industry. And a youth like me forward on them program. And them say fi dump it because it no sound like a motor, it no sound like a yasos, it sound like me just a jumble up some things for try sound smart. And just remember this day what I'm telling you, February 2nd, 2025. I'm not gonna realize. Because nothing what me say is no make-up story. Everything what me say is already recorded and out there. But me just not make sure promote it too much. But the 5 of them said dump it. Shortly after that, where you think we're going? But dead on the waterfront downtown Kingston and JCDC, them have a program a go on in the February. Same time in the February, yeah. And when I perform the poem, them say, yo, you win the money. 10 grand. Many years ago. Now, it was a joy, it was a fascinating feeling because I not even did know it was a competition. Some look a vibe going on my head at my place. And somebody send me a message and I say, yo, reach out because them have a little thing I go on the waterfront downtown. And me just go deliver. That was the assignment. Dana right, well go on. Maximum respect, thanks for joining in. So after doing that, them tell me say me win the 10 grand and me shake me at me and say, look, the 5 people tell me say, yo, my poem not good. But me say all of that for say this. Youth, no matter what I do in life, believe now in yourself. The same piece of poem I perform it all about in America, yeah, and at the end of the day, whole heap of people still love, respect, and appreciate it. Now go drop it. Someone wanna tell me if I rate it. One Kevin, maximum respect. One Kevin, me just a tell the people them say determination and believe in yourself take you a far way. I do that poem many years ago. 5 people on a panel, popular station, say me fi dump me thing. And right now, it a clock almost 100,000 views without paid promotion. That means a whole heap of people love and respect the words we are said. Boy, and you tell me what you think in the comment section. Make me know. You're saying Bolt got bronze in London and some say him sell out. Elaine Thompson lost the race, well, heap of negative remarks, yell out. Oh, no, expect, sure respect, because history was created. America bow down to a legend, honor greatly appreciated. Not just locally, but globally, Jamaicans did it. Keep your negative remarks to yourself, don't even get close up with it. Be proud of who you are. I am the great one. To all our athletes and icons, I say congratulations. You see, the problem I encounter every day with my own race. But mine and envy smiling at my own face. Sneakingly, creepingly want to take my own space. Mankind so unkind, ignorance, frown face. Lovers gone below 0 degrees, frozen cold state. I'm pensive in my thoughts, mind traveling zone space. My girlfriend won't even have sex with me, vex with me, says she want time alone space. Me try to get her attention focus on her phone face. Nowadays, we can't even relate but display more hate. Anger escalates, too much alarming crime rates. Your morals slowly deteriorates, and that concern me. What kind of society gonna exist in about 2030? Social media is like cancer, feeding on your souls. Implemented to prevent you from achieving on your goals. Illusion and confusion make you losing what you own. Don't lose yourself, be yourselves. Remember, you're not alone. So, Wagwan, can I get some love now? Oh, sorry. I guess you love your phones. Most of us now understand how essential life is. We still gonna waste time not knowing what time really is. If only one understood how powerful your mind is, perhaps you'd comprehend how nonsensical hype is. Marcus Garvey say unite. So why we separate? Why we still a fight? Why so many hate? Can religion and politicians make my people elevate? Like Marley, I'm saying one love. Them I got tired for see me face. DJ Touch Day, the Love Zone, blessings and respect. One Kevin, like Marley, I'm saying one love. Them I got tired for see me face. Then the right say I have a radio program, so I play poems every day, especially on Wednesday. If you can, like, okay, not a problem. Just send me an email. Then right, and I'll be happy, more delighted to send it across to you.